Hi, my name's Chris. Are you tired of overpaying for hydro? Why not use a renewable resource that's available to anybody, which is the power of the sun? Each and every year, the costs keep on rising. The sun can help you and your family drop your costs in paying for hydro. So if you can harness that energy and use it to pay some of your hydro off, for us, it dropped our bill in half. And if you want an outstanding company to represent and do the work for you at your home that you work so hard to pay and to live at, we recommend Riverside Energy Systems. We've been a supporter of Riverside Energy Systems since 2020 when we had our first system installed. Fantastic company. They're not only easy to work with, they have great work ethic, integrity. The people in the office make it timeless and seamless. If you're looking for impeccable working staff in the office, we can't say enough about Riverside Energy Systems. Between Sean, Amber, and Lee, and then the technicians who are out on the job, outstanding company. Riverside Energy Systems, they're your #1 choice for solar in Kamloops.